Scripting languages explained. In simple words. What does scripting language mean? A scripting language is a programming language used to write small programs, called scripts, that automate tasks and control other programs. It is called a scripting language because it is mainly used to write scripts instead of large software systems. In simple words, scripting language equals language for automation and quick tasks. It means a scripting language is used to automate work, runs inside another program or system, easy to write and read, usually interpreted, not compiled, used for quick solutions. So, scripting language equals small programs plus automation plus easy syntax. Example idea. Script to print a message. Print. Hello. Here. Code is short. Runs immediately. No complex setup. Easy to understand. This is scripting. Why it matters. Without scripting languages, cross-mark repetitive tasks must be done manually. Cross-mark automation is difficult. Cross-mark development is slower. Cross-mark system management is harder. Cross-mark web pages cannot be dynamic. With scripting languages, checkmark tasks can be automated. Checkmark work becomes faster. Checkmark errors are reduced. Checkmark web pages become interactive. Checkmark systems are easier to manage. Real-life examples of scripting languages. Common scripting languages: Python, JavaScript, PHP, Bash, Ruby. They are used for web development, automation, testing, data processing, system administration. How scripting languages work. Step by step. You write a script. Down pointing arrow. Interpreter reads it. Down pointing arrow. Commands run line by line. Down pointing arrow. Task is completed. Flow. Write means run means execute means finish. Features of scripting languages. Scripting languages. Easy syntax. No need to compile. Run line by line. Support automation. Work inside browsers or OS. Use libraries. Flexible. They focus on speed and simplicity. Types of tasks done using scripting languages. Scripting languages are used for automating daily tasks, making websites interactive, file handling, data analysis, running tests, managing servers, comparison with other language types. Compiled language needs compilation, runs faster, used for large systems. Scripting language, no compilation, runs slower, used for automation. So, compiled equals build software. Script equals automate tasks. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often write long programs as scripts. Forget syntax rules. Ignore errors. Mix scripting with system commands. Don't understand interpreter. These happen because scripts run directly without build step. Good practices in scripting. Checkmark keep scripts short. Checkmark use clear names. Checkmark add comments. Checkmark handle errors. Checkmark test scripts. Checkmark don't repeat code. Real-life analogy. Scripting language is like a remote control TV. TV equals computer. Remote equals script. You press buttons. Commands. TV performs actions. So, script equals remote control for computer. Important point. A scripting language automates tasks, is easy to learn, saves time, makes systems flexible, is widely used. Without scripting languages, crossmark no automation, crossmark more manual work, crossmark slower systems, crossmark less productivity. Simple definition. Scripting language equals a programming language used to write scripts for automation and controlling programs. Summary. Scripting languages. Checkmark are easy to write. Checkmark automate work. Checkmark run without compilation. Checkmark save time. Checkmark are beginner friendly. Without scripting languages, Crossmark no automation. Crossmark more manual effort. Crossmark slower development. With scripting languages, checkmark computers can work automatically. Checkmark developers save time. Checkmark systems become powerful. Checkmark tasks become easier.